How to create Zoom link for meeting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now type Zoom and click on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Zoom and click on install. Now wait for the app to install on your device. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now simply tap on sign in. Now sign in with your account. Now once you create the account, simply tap on not now. Now tap on get started. Now tap on meet. Now tap on start a meeting. Now tap on participants. Then tap on invite. Now tap on copy invite link. Now if you want to schedule a meeting, go to the Zoom homepage and tap on schedule. Now fill up the details. Now select the date of meeting. Tap on set. Now once you're done, simply tap on done at the top right corner. Now click on save. Now simply tap on invite. Now tap on copy link. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.